What if you could generate appointments on autopilot as soon as today?
Hi, this is Sarah with Test Real Estate Company.
In this video, we're going to go over from start to finish PeakSend AI, the outbound and inbound voice AI appointment setting tool. We're going to go through the installation process, the setup, and getting the AI started in as little as a few minutes, which is how long it'll take you to get everything going and started. So first of all, we're going to install the app here in the CRM. We're going to go ahead and click Allow and Install. Once it loads, it's going to take you to the onboarding form. We're just going to fill it out with some pretend data here. Okay, once we've filled that out, you're going to go ahead and click Submit, and you'll automatically be redirected. Now at this time, we also offer a free onboarding call, and so you can actually go ahead and set up an appointment time. At this time, it is required. We may move that in the future to be an optional appointment, but for now, it's going to be something that we provide as a free service to ensure your AI is set up correctly. All right, as soon as your appointment's been booked, as it says here, you can go ahead and begin making edits to your AI right away. So you can exit out of that and refresh your screen on the CRM. Once that's been done, you should see a PeakSend AI tab here at the bottom. From there, the AI will automatically be built out, and the first rough draft is going to be available here within the app. And so this will allow you to edit various details such as the name of the AI, the sales closer, and a bunch of other details. Another thing you can edit within this is the intro hook. This is the first sentence that the prospects are going to hear the AI say, and is usually the most crucial. And you can also edit the voicemail as well as other key phrases that your AI will say, and this will be dynamically generated based on whatever's in your sales script. Now from there, you can even add objections, you can edit the response to objections, or you can leave it blank to allow the AI to use its sales magic that we've pre-trained it with to respond dynamically. The nice thing about this AI is it's specifically built for sales, and so it's been pre-trained on sales data as well as sales best principles right off the bat. But if you need to make any edits, you can do that as well. All right, now during the onboarding appointment, we're going to go ahead and demo that first version of your AI, and you're going to be able to hear what it sounds like, as well as provide any feedback you'd like us to go back with and to implement for you. Obviously, you can make your own edits as well, but we also provide additional expert guidance for free during our onboarding setup, and we're going to go ahead and help push out that first version completely for free for you. Now, after the AI has been approved and given the green light by you, it'll be ready to go and live. Once it's live, in order to get it started, it's pretty simple. You're going to add a tag called AI call list to any contacts you want to get the call. So that would be as simple as going over here, and you can either add individually like this, and that would automatically add them to the call list, or obviously you can add that tag via workflow or via some sort of automation, or you can add it in bulk. And so doing that is all you got to do, and what's going to happen is the AI will follow up over days and weeks to book the appointment on your sales closer's calendar, so you guys can focus on doing what you do best, which is closing deals and servicing the customer rather than on lead qualification and the hassle of outreach. So now we're going to go ahead and do a real call with the AI that we've just created to see how it sounds and to see how everything turned out. So let's go ahead and create a test contact here. All right, once that contact's been created, like I mentioned, you only need to add the tag AI call list, and the AI will go ahead and make that call right away. All right, so that call's already coming through here. Let's go ahead and answer that. Hello?
Hi, this is Sarah with Test Real Estate Company. I noticed you've been browsing homes, and I wanted to follow up. Were you just checking out the market, or are you thinking about making a move this year?
Oh, probably just checking out the market.
That's exciting. Just so I can help you better, can I ask, where are you living now?
Yeah, I'm just in the Bay Area.
Got it. The Bay Area is such a vibrant place. What do you like or dislike about your current home?
You know, it's just a little small, a little too old.
I totally understand. It can be tough when a home feels cramped or outdated. What's prompting you to look at homes right now?
You know, I'd like to see what's out there.
Yeah. That makes perfect sense.
Okay,
Exploring the
that's probably
market
good
is
enough
really
for our little test here, but that gives you an idea of exactly how that AI call would go. You can test your agent, listen to it, things like that. And then later, of course, you can go back in and make some additional tweaks to it if needed. Now, pretty soon here, we're going to see the notes. Yep, those have already come in. One other thing I wanted to show you is once everything's been built out for you and the AI has been making calls, you're going to be able to see the analytics, including how many calls the AI has made, how many minutes have been used, the overall conversion rate, contact rate, things like that. And you can also see that based on a date range. And that's it. It's as simple as that. If you want to start automating sales, go ahead and install the PeakSend AI app. Get started for free. We're doing free onboarding right now, as well as giving 250 free minutes to allow you to test the AI and ensure it actually works for your business before upgrading and scaling from there. And so we look forward to assisting you and helping you automate your sales.